Now, one of the biggest hurdles that a second home buyer or investor has is to find a good tenant to occupy their residential property. Ultimately, most look for corporate clients or companies to rent out their space, but it's never that easy. What are the benefits of getting on board a corporate and how do you go about it? Lakshmi Sivadas finds out.
Businessman Sanjay Kinvasara and his wife wanted good and timely returns from their investment. But when it came to the rent returns from the flat they had purchased in Vasant Nagar, it turned out to be a headache for them. After a few years of letting it out on an individual lease, they decided to rent it out to a corporate.
See, I did have an individual renting it out earlier, but the thing with them is, the rents used to get a bit delayed. Like it wouldn't come on the proper dates. It would come maybe 1 week later, 2 weeks later, things like that. But with the corporates, it's like, your account is credited on that particular date, which we fix up with them every month. 10-15% higher rental we get from corporates.
And here is where people like Farooq Mahmood come to the rescue. His realty firm Silverline handles hundreds of clients looking to rent out their property to companies. The biggest reason why landlords want corporate tenants is for a hassle-free experience like timely payments.
They're assured that the tenant will vacate the premises on the due date, enhancements or increments will be adhered to, and property maintenance is far superior than an individual taking a property. Some people have on their long leases mentioned that they would pay an X percentage for repainting of the premises, or some companies would say that we take care of the premises and we do the annual maintenance ourselves, so you don't have to do it. So it depends on the lease that you structure with the client.
Experts agree that leasing out residential property to companies is a far more lucrative option while being a stable financial source. Homeowners looking for this option need to keep certain fine print in mind while leasing out the property. For starters, corporate lease agreements or CLAs are different from personal lease agreements. Corporate leases are signed for about 2 to 3 years at a minimum. While a personal lease agreement will only allow the permitted occupier to live in the house, companies can bring in any employee or guest to stay in the premises, but take full responsibility for the occupant. Just like in a personal lease agreement, CLAs also fix the percentage of increase at the end of each year, usually about 10%. However, despite this, it is not an easy task landing the corporate client.
So the expectation is to move into a high quality new construction house with better amenities than you would find in older constructions, amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, and those kind of houses does have higher demand from corporates. When a lease is signed with a corporate, the landlord also gets the ability to take the corporate to court, which is better for the landlord than if he was filing a case against an individual.
Experts also suggest getting the help of property managers or qualified realtors to not only land the corporate client quicker, but also to help negotiate the terms with companies' legal teams. From Bengaluru, Lakshmi Sivadas for NDTV.